Okay, so the guy from 100 kilometer club here in India wants to do some panning shots. Unfortunately, I'm wearing a little bit of not proper gear.
Are we going to take shot like this only with gears or?
I'll go get my jacket.
Yeah.
So I'll go home and I'll put my gear and I come back.
Yes.
Is the house still open or no? It's open? Okay.
The square one.
Okay.
Not the round one.
Square one. Come on, man. Are you coming with, or are you gonna? Do you have a bike?
I'll come with you.
Okay, yeah.
We don't have a bike. It will be fun.
Oh, what's up? Yeah.
Grab your pictures. Right?
Yes. I have a few friends back home that do like a lot of photographs. Okay, where do you want to go? How far? Just keep going straight?
First I'll take some shots from front.
Yep.
You go over there.
Yep.
I can come back.
Yep.
I'll take.
There's so much stuff on that bike. That's a shitty wheelie. Hello.
Racing, eh?
Huh?
Bike racing, eh?
Not racing, no. My friend take picture. I'm from Canada, so we just drive. Yeah, we don't. I don't mean to upset. If does that make sense? It was just for one photo. I'm from Canada, so I come to India first time, and we take the He can explain better.
Canada.
Huh? Yes, Canada. Yes, Canada. Yes.
From media, sir. Huh? From media. Media. अब क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग? नहीं वो सिर्फ फोटो के लिए था 2 मिनट. अभी जा रहे हैं. नहीं मीडिया बोल रहा सही बात आप लोग भी लिखते रहते हैं हम लोग. मालूम है ना? वो ऐसा उठा के ऐसा पब्लिक आते जाते कोई आके. नहीं मैंने वो ध्यान रखने को बोला था उनको. अभी जा रहे हैं हम लोग. हो गया. ये फोटो निकालने का था तो. कहाँ से हो? ये बाहर से आए. तो गाड़ी बाहर से लेके आओ. नहीं ये इधर का ये गाड़ी. ठीक है सॉरी.
Yeah. Sorry. No more. Yeah. 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 No more. Sorry. Thank you.
I am a media guy, basically.
Yeah.
So if you are a media person a lot here.
Yeah.
Because we know all the stuff of them, you know.
Yeah. He said he's like public place. I'm like, I'm sorry, the bike's powerful. Like, yeah.
Saw you wheeling?
I think so. Yeah. Yeah, he's like, you racing? I'm like, no, he's not racing. He's like, I saw you. I'm like, no, I wasn't. I don't know how to wheelie, man. And they don't know, like, no English, you know? Yeah, I'm very, very lucky because back home, that's $500 ticket. Yeah, very expensive. And the cop wanted to shake my hand, like, it's so funny, man. He's like, no, here, shake. Yeah, it's more. Yeah, it's more fun this way, you know. Yeah. The cop pulled me over, said no wheelies. Yeah, and then they didn't know English, so he comes running over, like, no, and then he goes, the cop shakes my hand and says goodbye. I'm like, back home you'd be like in jail, $500. And he's like, no, have fun. I'm like, really? Like, okay, bye. Yeah. Didn't ask for license, nothing. Like back home, you get busted doing a wheelie, you are fucked. Like, it's 500 US. Oh. Yeah.
Look at this one, huh?
Yeah, oops. Welcome to India, right?
We want to see this.
Yeah. I'll tag you guys. Yeah, it was hard to get the wheelie, man.
We want to see the wheelie.
Oh yeah.
You can video on my bike?
No, I would never do that. No, I did.
I was just wondering, where do you find another bike to do a wheelie?
Yeah, that's fun though. It's got good enough power.